Inkosi isiphethe ngenceba umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM. Today's best radio yangena Indlovukazi indodakazi yoncane yoHamash umntwana wasezulwini ngokwenyama nangokwegazi. Sohlala nawe kuze kushaya lapha ya u12 o'clock kanti angihleli ngedwa khona indaba enhle wakamiyeza bese kuzoba uThabo wakaSambothi. Namhlanje ngathi khona la yakhona or la ibuya khona uhlukile njengenjwayelo uThabo sengenze kube nesithombe awumengcolele kufanele ngcolele njalo ngoba uyaswenka. Okay, ngiyithanda le ndaba enhle angikubingelele ke sibe general
abalaleli beNanda FM simbonge umdali wezulu nomhlaba osipha ukuzithanda ukuzinikela ubuqotho ukungaqolodi sime phezulu kwamaqhuma kepha sibe nokuzehlisa sizithobe bese sicaphulwa sicubungule mesiqeda ukulicubungula bese silibuyisela kubanini balo njengoba umdali ayebadalile.
All right, Thaboza
Ndlovukazi correct sibonga umdali nje usigcinile saphinde sahlangana futhi sibingeleleke kumlaleli weNanda.
Usufuna ukuthi kumna yabo ukujayela nokwenza inhlelo eziningi kodwa alikhe libi phela ungabingelela kumNazaretha kumKristu kumBahayi kuba namanye
umbhudu
masulumane nje phela thina sicwasi lana ingakho sithi asilungiseni sibuyisela ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzithanda nokuzazi bese sinikeza information kulabo abangazi bese sinikeza information okunye sifundisane kona because insizwe engihamba nazo la ze research kakhulu and there's nothing wrong with the research. Abantu can we talk a little nawe
ubungula
manje ukuthi yini wrong ngok research because abantu uthola ukuthi usufuna ungena kwi-conversation ukuthi bafowethu let's reason together asikhulumeni lento umuntu athi yabo abantu abacuyi babungula ngoba vele lento ibhalwe encwadini lencwadi iqinile abathi bona ibhalwe abelumbi yabo bese eyenza lento manje into engathi understandeki kanti
lack of inner awareness sokhuluma ngayo.
Hawu yazi ngisathi ngicela ukungena nje emabeleni wayisho indaba enhle. Lo mbuzo wakho iyona exactly lento sokhuluma ngayo lo mbuzo wakho
lack of inner awareness. The conscious understanding of your own thoughts, feelings and behaviors, allowing the greater reflection Ndlovukazi and choices that you make in life. Ukhumbule awuzali ungazi lutho uzalwa with information kodwa ngenxa ukuthi uyazalwa uzala bese impaired ina iba impaired by the parents that are trying to parent you. So the greater part of yourself is too preoccupied with the learning of the parents.
Not on self,
not the self knowledge. Uthi kumusumdala after wounds and trauma bese attempt to know yourself. That's where the disaster happens.
La sithi sesifuna ukuyithola khona wenda benhle ibonza ukukhulumisa into practical kanje umuntu adlule kuyo ngoba zonke lezi
yabona ngeke ayithola bagcina bengayitholanga akazi kwenziwa yini.
Hayi kodwa bagcina beyitholile.
Hayi no I'm telling you nje bagcina bengayitholanga. Uyithola kanjani uyifuna ubutshwala uyithola kanjani
uma kahle ngiyithanda approach yakho ngena ngayo.
How can you find yourself whilst you are weeding yourself, smoking weed, overeating? Because those things are the very same things that impair your synapses, your brain, causing a flood of neurotransmitters like cortisol. Cortisol is a stress hormone, and when your body is severely stressed kubukhuni uku-assimilate any knowledge bakwethu.
All right, I like it indlela ena oyibeka ngayo nabenhle and it's discussable. Iya engage kakhulu ngiyacela ke kule tone esingena ngayo nawe we understand le ukuthi we engage esikusho la kusho sazi konke nawe you have your own but let's discuss and find a common ground. Let's reason together. Iyona inhloso enkulu le hayi okuzokutshela ukuthi ungakwenzi but ngolwazi asebe nabo abangaphambi kwethu ondaba enhle uThabo nabanye uyaxwayiswa so i decision ikuwena ukuthi uyayithatha noma uthatha. Okay, kunento ngibonile while sisabingelelana nawe mkhosi mabe ngibe ne-interest ke mina yokwazi ukuthi athini siyenza ama-rounds kwakusho njalo esikhona ukucheck nje atmosphere nokucheck ukuthi what's going on ezweni singahlali singazi kwenzakalani. There is a video lethi engithumelele nekusena ngathi manibonile yini abefundisi I think it's AI ntontoni le anto yenziwe but generated but ke iyenza sense kimina sibephethe ibhambe ekhuluma ukuthi they will not be silent. Ke nibukeni ke sikhulume ngayo ukuthi ke ngikwazi ukutshengisa umlayezo lapha abafakele kwile
iyangichaza.
Yeah,
because what has happened, people have lost Christianity, the injunctions of Christianity and the gospel of Christ.
Yeah,
they are moving exactly to what I feared most in nationalist Christianity, which at the Council of Nicaea was hijacked by administrators.
Okay,
not Christians, not bishops, administrators who were keen and bent on creating a religion that can be used by the state to meet its ends.
Konke sengenzile wrong. No ngisho njengamanje ukuthi ngifike ngikhulume lento kanti ivideo ngithubelele nini umlaleli akazi. Can I play a bit?
Please.
And then bese ngiyayichaza. Yeah, ukuze sikwazi uku-engage sonke
ngale.
Okay, I'll play this video. There's a woman carrying a gun, AK-47. AK-47. Bonke laba abazokhuluma la baphethe ama AK bonke kwi-pulpit. So ngikunikeza isithombe abesifazane baphethe ama AK, abesilisa baphethe ama AK abazokhuluma la. Can we listen to this and talk about it a bit?
Too many Christians have been killed for no reason. Not anymore. They killed our husbands, raped our daughters and mothers, and took us captive. We will not be silent anymore. It's time to speak up and act. Now is the time. Oh God, arise and manifest your power against our enemies. We have prayed, we have forgiven them, but now we will defend ourselves. They killed my husband right in front of me. They molested my daughter and took my son away. And you say I should stand and watch. No, I will not watch anymore. The government has failed us. We will not fail ourselves. We will defend our land. All Christians need to watch while praying. Do not close your eyes while praying. Stay alert. I repeat, stay alert.
We must stand firm in the face of adversity, for our strength lies in our unity and resolve. And while we are praying for divine protection, please take responsibility for yourself. We will no longer allow ourselves to be killed again. Enough is enough.
Labantu ke abavelela bagqoka okhololo lo siso stay alert ugqokise le ngube izinto zama Nigeria nale gqoko lezi sigqoka nathi izinto zabo uyawalka nje stay alibahle and laba abanye bagqoka okhololo they are base pulpit but they are carrying AK-47
njengobazi nangu sengimbona nozosifundela indaba usela uNonduduzo
sanasi sikhashana
leyo yiyo lesokhuluma ngayo impela ngoba cishe about 3-4 years ago ngangakhuluma la ngaze ngafunda enye document sathi buyisikhuluma isiphelile 4 years engafika ngishilo kudala ngiyakhumbula sikhuluma nge-one world religion ukuthi kuzokwenzeka lana njengamanje into ekhona vele Christianity yabulawa bazama ukwakha le one world religion uyabona nje manje kuyaxovwa nabantu to lose faith kukuzenywa ngayindlela ukuthi kube nezimpi nomngani kaDimbane uTrump uyambona khona afuna ukuyisusa la ekhaya nje kuyaxovwa nje emhlabeni fanele kube ne-chaos so le neuro wound esokhuluma ngayo ifike ihlanganise zonke lezi
lapha isilonda emizweni it's very difficult thing to have
uyayibona into abayifaka emizweni yabantu ukuthi akuliwe
akuliwe and baphethe ibhaba
and Clement base South Africa bathula uTrump efuna uqala impi eSouth Africa and ungakhohlwa bayibona
ababoni
babegijima bethi conspiracy theories ngathi mina okay if it's conspiracy theories I'm giving you 10 years akakapheli 15 years akakapheli 15 years ziyasha manje and it's not only Christians who are being unalived even Muslims you saw what happened in Gaza even Muslims
okay sizobuya ke Mkhozi. All right, how ngitshela ukuthi sesila uNonduduzo Nomvalo usela kushuthi ipresence yakhe iyafileka ngoba sengizingazi ngavala yonke into ngithi ayisesiyangena uqobo dabethe siyakuzwa uhleba lapho kukhona ngesicela ukukhuthaza ke ukuthi usende ku 0687649969 WhatsApp lo esobe sikhuluma kona kusuku namhlanje 0687649969 sithi come let's reason together asixoxeni lezi zinto asikhulumeni ngaphansi kuthina ekugcineni konke uzibhekeke wena ukuthi mase kuhlehle wonke umuntu wena usele nani usele noba usele naluphi ulwazi uzokwenza njani uzobiza abantu uma ingasekho uzombiza uzokwenza njani nje ngoba yonke into sikhuluma ukuthi nawe ikhiphe yazi iba nolwazi uzondle ngolwazi so that when ungasenamuntu usele wedwa ube nayo into yokwenza.
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM noNonduduzo Nomvalo.
The prayer Donnie McClacken and Yolanda Adams ngalesi sikhathi 9:44 emsakazweni inanda 88.4 FM ngizosibiza kanjalo namhlanje ungixolele mangabe ukuthi asizwakali ngaleyo ndlela ngizophinde ngizizame futhi nangisizulu kodwa kokwamanje sikulolu daba oluthe ukujula kakhulu sesizwile kwenzakalani ezweni sesizwile futhi nathi ukukhuluma ukuthi WhatsApp ngendaba bengisalinda ukuthi mhlawumbe ke nithi comment kancane before singena odabeni sesingena kulona udaba so comment kwenu uma kuzorespond ekutheni sisodwa manje sikanjena nje mhlawumbe umuntu akayicabange naye nje ukuthi yazi uyedwa in the time ke usuwedwa endlini ukhala kubani uthini ubani okuzwayo uzosizakala kanjani ile nto ke ngifisa ukuthi kuyonke ingxoxo yethu uyilayelisise bese sibuyela lapha emuva ndabendle silapho manje mhlawumbe sithi kancane nje comment what did you say about the videos? Did you say anything?
No, I did not say anything. It's not only the Christians who are being unalived around the world. The Muslims are getting it tough.
Okay, everybody.
But among Muslims, the difference with them, they are united. They speak in one voice. Buga Manjena, strategically, they've taken over Britain and they're coming down for America.
Hey, could you get us with a case of team?
They're going to win because already in Texas, they've been able to procure 40 mosques. 40 mosques in Texas. Now, Texas is the hardcore of America. Anything in Texas, even their sentences, if you are a petty criminal, you're likely to get 15 years. A petty criminal. It's death sentence. In Texas, when you want to do his day, he loves it, don't go to Texas. But guess what? I'm a Muslim, I've been attacked in Texas. And they want to take over, and they're going to win. They are united, they are clean. Maybe it's asufuna utshwala, asufuna ama drugs lomgwaqo. And back val.
And abakufuna ngempela.
Yeah, abadlali kanjalo.
They stick to that.
They've stopped young women in Britain abaqoka inappropriate bakhuluma nabo ukuthi no asilwe but please dress up properly. If you don't want to be raped, well now check the Christian response. A person has a choice. A person can dress up anyhow as long as it's got Christ inside. Yabona Ndlovukazi sinothabo senze show la sakhuluma ukuthi the danger and the perils of white supremacist religions. And ngakhuluma kabanzi ngento of Trump what he's trying to do because it's a racist white Christian thing. Oh kwabena kwashawa ubhululu wakhe we turning point uCharlie Kirk. Just ngisala leyo mpi ngathi mina the worst is about to come. Ngaleso sikhathi impi eGaza was horrible. And the Muslims were unalived left and right. Bazoshaya ngisho Iran. Guess what? Ngathi mina lokho enikubona kwenzeka lapha ya. Enikubona kwenzeka eGaza nase-Iran kuyeza nakunini. Akaphela u2 months ngisho njalo. Nakho ke manje in Nigeria. So what is going to happen now? They are taking us back into the religious wars. Religious wars, they never end.
Okay, Ndabente, what are you saying?
I wonder if you because was control abantu religious war.
Okay.
Yeah, uba separate ethnic group, tribal group, uba separate religious persuasion. Now, so any government is smart can set this group against each other. Maguliwa, who benefits from religious wars? It's the government that is in cohorts with mercenaries of that country. In any country, I can tell you, whenever religious wars are at the height, the mercenaries will come in. Banikeza ukudla namatende ningahlali endaweni zenu banifakele banidrophele ukudla namatende whilst they create a road enamasosha kuze kofika seaport nase airport, mining everything that they can get. So the purpose of religious wars for idiots is that they have minerals at the bottom.
Yabona nje into ekhulunywa uDimbane
too much.
Yeah,
it makes me panic.
Umuntu osalandela ama political party ngekayizwe ngoba ihope yakhe yonke uyibeke kwi-political party. I-political party engayi understand lento ekhulunywayo la ukuthi impi ingakephi. Ake ngixoxe nje ngoba mhlambe noJesu abaprofeti babethanda ukuthi mabekhuluma babeke imizekelo. Kuthiwa kwaba khona izwe ndulondulo. Kwakuhlalwa nje kuphithizela abantu bengasayiphethe kahle. They were morally bankrupt, spiritually bankrupt. Yabona abantu sebenza lento ibona la behamba nqunu benza yonke into abantu sebenza ngisho ucansi njengezinja emphakathini ngabinda. So abantu basebeqala sekubheda nje kodwa engakabi kubi kakhulu. Kwase kufika umuntu nje ongaziwa ngamuntu kulesizwe wavakashela enye indoda. Le ndoda le yayilungile nje emphakathini ihlalela yodwa ingesena nkosikazi ingenangane futhi. Mayifika le ndoda ibikithi njengoba ngila ngithunywe uNkulunkulu. Uthi uNkulunkulu angikutshela ukuthi khona isifo esizofika. Lesifo songena ngamanzi. So kuyofanele ningawaphuza amanzi enwakhayo emfuleni la nwakha khona nasemthunjini ngoba siyongena ngamanzi. Kodwa mase sofika futhi ngizobuya ngifuye ngizokutshela ngithi ungabe nisawakha amanzi bese ngithi wakhe wena tshela abantu nawe nibe nilungise nibe nezitshe eziningi zokubeka amanzi. Kwaphela unyaka yabuya le ndoda athi yakhuluma le ndoda nambona umuntu owafika la sambona okephi lo muntu nama ngimazi kodwa wathi uthunywe uNkulunkulu. Kuzokwenzeka kanje asiqoqeni imbiza sizama ukubeka nezinto esizokwazi ukubekelela kuzona amanzi ngoba khona isifo athi sizoba khona sizongena ngamanzi. Hayi
sure.
Kwaba mhlambe babili abamlalela the rest hayi bangamnaka. Waphela unyaka yabuya le ndoda yazomtshela athi yabona ke seseduzeke lesifo qala ke ukha amanzi emva kwa masonto amangaka sizobe sesiqalile lesifo ibubekelela amanzi akho uzowaphuza until sizedlule ngiyokutshela futhi mase sidlulile hayi yabekelela le ndoda amanzi yabona kuba isikhathi samanje ngabe sithi wathe ngoJojo safika isifo baqala abantu benza lento engiyishoyo abantu sebenza izinto engasilithi yakhuza le ndoda ababona ukuthi uyasibhedela lo kunani pho hawu baqala abantu benza lento engiyishoyo sebenza ucansi njengezilwane phambi kwabantu abasafihli hayibo ithi yakhuza le ndoda hayi nathi titshela abazali beingane nabazali beingane bathi awuwena pho uhlushwe yini ngoba ingane zethu lezi ziyajabulisa wenza yonke into aphetha le ndoda in such a way uthi ayisehluleka ngisho kuphume eminyango iye emphakathini izinto ezasezenziwe umphakathi ukuba isikhathi samanje ngabe ngithi babe nasebusuku akulalwa ama sound system kuyadakwa hey yabona le ndoda ukuthi cha hayi
isele yodwa
sengisele ngedwa and ngendlela kuyiyona it's either ngiyafa noma enye indlela yokuthi lento ingangi-affect ukuthi nama ngifane nabo yavele ayeka ukuphuza lamanzi lawo ayo aclean ihamba yayokha amanzi angcolile naye awaphuza hayi the mayisiwaphuzile lamanzi hayi angabe sababhoda thina ngalezi zinto ekuthiwa if you can't beat them join them yavele abajoyina nayo yagcinisa imfana nayo wafika uNkulunkulu wagcine babhubhise bonke labo bantu la ngikhona ke ukuthi ke siphile esikhathini esinjalo njengamanje no matter ngisho ngathi abawonisha abantu uyabona umuntu odakwe ipolitiki kaya kumthinta ubambelele kulomholi wakhe ngisho akuthiwa wenzani wenzeni akagudluki umuntu odakwe isonto ngisho ngathini ngomfundisi wakhe ngisho kungavela ubufakazi manje kuthi uyaboshwa nanga umfundisi wakhe naye ubizwa kwimadlanga umfundisi wakhe kuyavela ukuthi hawu kanti njengoba sonto nje kushushunjiswa ama-drug la phakathi esontweni ngeke azaphume ngoba imdakiwe lento nayo iyi-drug so ukhona abantu othi ayibone into ukuthi wrong uyayibona umtshele futhi understand ukuthi yazi uqinisile Dimbane aqeda ukuthi uqinisile wena uyazi ukukhanselisha abantu aqeda ukuthi uqinisile Dimbane aphuma yokwenza the very same thing le kade uthi wena
abese hamba etsene mina sengenza yonke hlobo amakhanseli singahamba
khona umuntu onamanga othi umkhanselisha umsiza ekulento yakho ukuthi akayeka amanga ngoba aphinde aqambele wena
that's true
so khona abantu abanjalo njengamanje ke njengoba isihloko lesi spiritually healing the neuro wound because yabona ne neuro wound le kabili khona le neuro wound lokuhlamba ukudla kanjani le nervous system bese kuba khona le spiritual ngicabanga ukuthi yiyo le esikuyona ebanga lezi inkinga ezikhona eziningi kangaka because inkinga nje yezwe njengamanje ayinankulunkulu ngisho ungenzani once engekho uNkulunkulu angakabe khona ama morals ngeke kwenzeke lutho because we removed God out of the country now ulidwa kanjani abantu abangenankulunkulu mangithi umuntu anganabo uNkulunkulu angichazi ukuthi silidwa kanjani abantu abangasonti umuntu ongenankulunkulu umuntu ongenama morals umuntu ongenabuntu nantika untu akekho kuyena so umuntu ongenayo untu akakwazi ukuthi ashaye imithetho enontu yabo yonke into kuzobe kampunzi edleke emini nje nombani wenzani yabona amaphezulu ilidi njalo ingakho uzobona ngisho iphoyisa lingabophi lifike lifuna imali akekho manje umthetho awubi khona ezweni because untu akekho
simhlusile nelinye lifike lisho lithi na ilist yamagama kodwa ungeza ukuthi ene kubayo lanto lapho
yebo into enjalo ukuthi manje sinale yonke ingakho ukuthi untu simbuyisela kanjani simfaka kanjani untu esizweni ukuze sizwe siphila asikwazi ukulindwa abantu uma olalela imadlanga lapho uyabona ukuthi sisodwa la bonke labantu ba involved in fact igebengu iphethe bona ibona abaphethwe yigebengu labantu uthi uyalanda
hijacker in mist
yes
sibakhethe khona kumadlanga
abantu abasiphethe uthi uyabuka abafundisi baphethe abantu labantu nabo same also politics same amakhosi same thing now ubani ke ngempela esothembela kuyena ngoba manje bonke labantu bese qhamuka ke odimbaneka athi uyakhuluma la awuyothi hawu ngathi ngisho inkosi yethu thina ingazi isitshelele yodwa ngathi ngisho umholi wami wepolitiki engakazi angitshelele uphethwe abantu bathwele phela labantu iningi labo uphethwe abantu abadla igazi uphethwe abantu abadla igazi labantu abantu ababulala abantu bathwale ngabo yini ke ezolunga esizweni ngoba these are bloodthirsty
Cannibals,
yeah labantu baphila ngokuncela igazi kubantu yabo so labantu ayikho into enhle abangayenzela isizwe inkinga ke manje ile yokuthi ke abantu baphuma kanjani kulento ngoba badakwe lezi zinto zalabantu yilapho ke kune spiritual wound lesi sifuna ukuhilwa uthi uNkulunkulu ubale incwadi uJeremiah 17 lathi khona nginehlukanisile nabantu nganenza naba ngabami uNkulunkulu kunesizwe nje ubathi umuntu athi lesizwe ngiyasikhethela ukuthi isanzi ishola the chosen nation no Shakhrafik ukuthi makuthiwa we chosen nation what are you chosen for yini umsebenzi wakho I chosen nation kuba idlanzana lalabo bantu kodwa labo bantu bazokwenza into ezoheha laba abanye abantu baphume lapha ebumnyameni bayilandele sigcine sande sizwe njengoba kwakwenza oshembe bakho ukuphakama uqoqa labo abantu abambijana abahlale la baphume baye ngaphandle abantu babukele kubona bandubuhle
Hey, ngiyakuzwa wethabo wazoyibeka le ndaba endicacemba sizothi ke 2 minutes singene futhi kuzona indaba ngoNonduduzo Novalo and then we coming back nondaba enhloko Miyeza noThabo Sambothi sizoyikhuluma lento ngicathi uThabo sayindlalile ukuthi understandeke ngolimi ke leli lethi
at a very interesting social level
you know and le party ethi khona isilonda sa lesi suku physical bese kuba spiritual so nawe nje usacabanga usasilindele akuyibuke ngalelo lihle lento ukuthi ikaningi ebese ufaka le ukuthi uwedwa manje awunamzali awunangane nengane ayinamaka wedwa manje what are you going to do kuyonke lento esibekiwe idecision yakho ithini uzothathani uhlanganise nani ngithi yabo asibuze lo mbuzo because mangabe soloko siyibuza ukuthi balokubethe ondabethe bathotha bathi uhulumeni wena ke as an individual uthini ulungisani lapha ya lounge yakwakho uqale lounge indaba yini ozoyilungisa lapha ekhaya kwakho qawa phela mangabe ngizothi sogijimela uya ngaphandle singafikisile la ekhaya ayikho into ezokwenzeka so ulungisani ke lapha ekhaya lakho and then enganeni zakho yabo iminingi nje umsebenzi guys sobuye sikhulume lento ningakhulu alright siyakunonduduzo
Nanda 88.4
right akekho ofana nayo njalo uDumi Mkoksted I'm hoping ukuthi kuhambe kahle konke umcimbi wakhe ekwadi khona kule mpela sonto was it yesterday or Friday kodwa nje ngiyathemba ukuthi konke kuhambe kahle sibonge masabona amaciko ekhuthala ewenza umsebenzi ngalendlela awenza ngayo nathi kasiqhubeke futhi bafowethu sisupporte lokho esikwazi ukusupporta nesindlela futhi ukusupporta kuphoqa umuntu kodwa wazi ukuthi yonke into yenzayo emhlabeni uyazibekela nawe okay ndabenhle ukhona indlovukazi uMapule uThabo ukhona sithi asilungiseni isikhuluma ke about manje ludaba lwezilonda zakamoya ke ngisho njalo okwamanje kuze kucace nokuhila lesiya esemthanjeni ngisho njalo ndabenhle isilonda lesi
siya kwi backup system siyobheka
sizilekelela kanjani ke ngithe konke ukulalela ucabanga ukuthi uzozisiza kanjani wena nje wedwa usiza kanjani umndeni wakho kanjalo
because the brain is such a powerful organ. But when the brain does nothing, static, so you have to apply the mind into the brain for the brain to reward you. Ingondo mihle nje isiqubuza uyifaka utshwala uyifaka ukudla uzogcina ufile ubulawa lezinto ezifita yona kodwa ungayifiti ulwazi ngawe njengoba sikhulume nge-inner awareness is the one aware of one. No, we're not. Uyabona njengamanje na esidila nake South Africa sigudike kuma symptoms. Amanye ama symptoms siwathatha ku ChatGPT na ku AI. Sekululu venu yakhona ukukhuluma ngomlomo iphendula. My biggest disappointment with ChatGPT is an extrapolation of a lot of people's ideas. Some are gotten from the books that are legitimate. Some are merely fleeting thoughts and angena verification and amplification. I'm not condemning a ChatGPT, but again, ChatGPT content ngichaza uzenza kubantu uzoba sinker back into not knowing about themselves. Ngoba uzobulaya i-ability for discernment and thinking. Awukwazi ukudiscernelwa i-AI. Uzodevelop i-brain rot. Now, I just can't again of this. Uma une shock, une trauma, neilonda. This is what your brain does. We are with flight, fight, and flight response. Uma usulwile kwangalweka kwangandizeka kwanga escape yonke into umzimba oyitrauma uyidownloada kephi ecubini zomzimba.
Okay.
Causing you to be hyper aroused. So indlela ozodila ngayo ngaso sonke isikhathi kuyingozi kabi. You can't live on the body that is hyper aroused. That is what is happening in South Africa. 80% of our community is hyper aroused.
What hyper aroused?
Chaza ukuthi bahlale belinde iskandali, ihlazo, ukufa, amanyala. These are things that are now entertaining them. Ngoba they are embedded in their inner system. An average South African male waphela isonto engahlangananga nescandal akabi right. They sink into situational depression.
See deep.
Yeah. Angithi ingqondo yakho is used to garbage.
Oh.
Manje ayisawuthola ugarbage. Right. What does that retard? Ku retard the human connection, human understanding, and it blights out the help that you can access. Agasbeg. Ama institutions wethavena afa kufika kwafama university kwafika ikole. In fact our institutions are dead.
Yo, ama college okufundisa.
Nama college okufundisa. Uyazi khona into engeke ngiyibona. Owake wangena e-UKZN ema-toilet e-Natal Technical i-DUT ama-toilet clean ngalendlela awana graffiti. Namhlanje usuyakwazi ukuthola elilodwa kuphela eli-clean elihambayo lawa amanye awasahambi.
Hayibo.
Yeah. Umuya emasangweni kudayiswa insangu nama-fruits nama-vegetables kulama university. Everything la kugate. During our times there was clean, nothing zero. Umuya kongo sebedayisa umama ngaphakathi.
Oh.
Yeah, ngaphakathi university.
Sekunamatafula. Yeah.
This is what has happened. We have degenerated literally into the levels of animals. At some stage, abantu bakithi bake baba noNkulunkulu ngoba they are gods in human form. But besuka ireligion yathi no, wrong undaba emethi you are gods. Your God is in the sky. Where but I remember, I never forget this moment where umnusisi sasikhuluma nababa uMpele. What just sithi naye upastor wamwathini nobelinga khuluma nani antichrist. Iyasihlekanga kanjeni. Ngakahambisa uMpele ngomehlisa la ayene ama classes akhe khona ama self mastery class. Ngimbeka nje ubingele into ukuthi wendaba yawubingele na into emsibingele. Hayi ngani ibaleka ithi impela kwathiwa nje esontweni la singakhulumi nathi.
Nina ngibukisela enkonzweni mina.
What was our sin? We were waking up people. Ake sibeke ke manje ku human connection Dlovukazi khona uzobona ke ama symptoms uthaba khuluma ngawe social level. Sometimes I go to my relationships.
Yeah,
where a man and a woman would enter into a relationship, but andane would be right and bakwazi coexist. Today couples can't coexist. Simple. Yini ndaba ufika ne trauma nalo ufika ne trauma.
Yeah.
And you know babili what pulls you together impaired partner selection. No babili you are drawn by trauma.
Okay.
And so 72% of South African relationships are trauma-bonded relationships. Amanga, ubufebe, ipathology, izilonda, kumaphiqiphiqi.
Kuhlanganisa kanjani pho lokho? Kuhlanganisa kanjani?
You don't attract who you are, you attract what you are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are drawn into a partner who treats you exactly like your parents treated you. Now, ayasibheke kancane uThabo uke wakhuluma ngeprogram last year, was it last year? Yoku degrade kwehlisa a number of men so that billionaires of the world can control populations. You can't have a lot of men if you want to control societies.
That's what they're saying.
Yeah. I can answer an example. 1995, a guy who brought us Whitney Houston, Clive Davis. Clive Davis had a party, who's who of the rap gang that had come into the market. Then kulama guest ayakhona kwakunama billionaires who own private prisons in America. Right. So guys, we are gonna give you money, but start writing music that degrade and undermine your women. Write us music that glorify prison life, that take away the dignity of a black woman. Call her a whore, a bitch, and mother F. Your mother, continuously calling the mother F, will be very kind to people who will write such music.
Yeah.
What was the purpose? We need to fill our prisons.
For?
No,
Business.
yeah, they were empty.
Amajele are privately owned. So I had to go to South Africa ku cost mali 1,000 bani ukugcina isibotho sodwa ngosuku.
Yeah.
Leyo mali yaphi iya kumnika kubanikazi bejele leyo company run ijele. So it's business. Ingakho kune overcrowding futhi singakho isidingo sokuyinciphisa ngoba inciphisa imali yethu.
Yeah. So
right.
So the rappers of the time, they went on the studio. Uzokhumbula ke as ayikho period 1995, 96, 97 and 8. La isithunzi somuntu omnyama esabulawa saphela somuntu esifazana omnyama. The mother was broken to nothingness. Then they glorified the unaliving of cops, the killing of cops. And people are getting death sentences. Life. Then between 1998 and 2003, American cell prison were filled up with young black men.
Yeah.
And then the drug cartel, the government drug cartel, they saw an opportunity of flattening the ground by then opening avenues of bringing in drugs, because they work together, these cartels. Now, this is what happened, love guys. So I'm a movement, I'm a podcast. Because our men are in prison, 70% of our men are in prison. The more they were crying, the more they loaded them in. Kwase kuthi ibhule ekade ngakhuluma ngayo bakwethu ibhule kade ngakhuluma ngayo ubaba umpele wakwa breaker down ibhule way breaker down ukuthi bantu understand. People refuse ngoba kuthiwa ama conspiracy theories ekuyiyona efunda ama charismatic pastors in America to preach empty gospel elingaphendula impilo zabantu. So ibhule started to fund on the other side the pastors. I'm American gospel yaqala yaba fascist gospel, even black pastors. They started to mystify Christianity. Kwaqhamuka ama concept okugingqela kuyena kumnandi ezulwini nasemhlabeni.
Yeah.
Then TPN was funded in the interim and all hell break loose. So you had now traumatized people who were now using religion to numb their difficult pain. What happened after that is amazing. Kwa increase in number yabantu besilisa abaphika ingane. Now follow me. Kwa increase in number yabantu besilisa abaphika ingane zabo. The number got so bad to a point ukuthi kwaqala kwathiwa no man, whenever ukhulelisa umuntu osifazane ebenilalana ningene relationship, because between zokhumbula Ndlovukazi, between 1992 and 2010, one night stand was popularized through movies. Kwakuthiwa nje umnike kwaze kwaba khona ingoma eSouth Africa, mnike wonke lo garbage. So that then popularized, they sexualized the whole communities, both Black American properties. Now in South Africa it was easy because South Africans are gullible. They just bought into the matrix. Now ukuphika ingane became normal. Now kwase kuzalwa I generation yaka 2000 yeingane eyiphikiwe. U32% weingane ezizalwe ngo 2001, 2000, 2003 up to 2005 ziphikiwe baba bazi. That is why here kuvele umntwana othi thina simsize, what rituals do you do? Sizomtshela ukuthi uma ubaba wakho wakuphika, how then do you heal your nervous system? Ngoba ubaba wakho mekuphika useswini ekuphika ngisho usukhona, what happens? Your nervous system gets ruptured. The question is, how can you recover that? Now Ndlovukazi ke uThabo kuseyibeka ke society level uthi ke abantu abasafarisha kanjalo who are trauma carriers, you know, umusu bahlangana
88.4 FM. When we return, more of the music you love.
Ukusilungiseni sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzazi nokuzithanda. Uasilungiseni ke bakwethu sithi come let's reason together konke okunye bakithi kuyapheleliseka amahlangene konke nishilo bafowethu maniqala nikhuluma kuzibe nikhuluma ngani ke iblendawo le ebenithi into ebawinisayo ukuthi bahlangene.
Or when you say when it comes to religious wars,
Muslim,
they're united. They've got academics, society, and then they've got morality. So with Christian world, there's nothing of the side.
There's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing. There's individuality, there's chaos, there's condemnation, damnation, and the rest. Okay, I got the quick one, Lokuza and the visit. Healing from trauma. That Uthabo Nam have spoken of. It requires, especially in trauma where a father has denied the paternity, requires you to focus on self-validation, re-establishing a strong inner awareness. Monitor your thoughts, your feelings and everything. And if it means listen to channel it down, do this. Because Usugu nervous system dysregulated. Now, Ndlovukazi, I can tell you one thing. The majority of our people out there are nervous system dysregulated. Uma waphikwa ubaba uyingane, you need to acknowledge your feelings. Feelings. Sadness, grief and loss, betrayal, confusion and identity crisis. There's anxiety and constant bouts of depression. Depression. Bese uyabaleka kwigospel ethi ngisho ungaphika ubaba wakho akusolutho lokho. That is nonsense. It's a lie and it's an anti-Christian. Talk to the child. Let her understand what it means to be denied by a father.
What it means very ngempela nkosami ngoba ulwazi ke singenalo masikhuluma nabo sikhuluma sithini.
Asiye in ancient African history.
Sure.
Uyakhumbula Ndlovukazi ukuthi uma ingane beyisola ukuthi khona ungahambi ngayo ogogo babe bayibize lesiyingini sabafazi. Ihlaliswe center. Bese kuthi ugogo wayo ahlale phansi abhekele nengane ibhekele bathintane ngani ngomgogodla. And then Ugogo is going to start downloading blessings and good wishes into the spinal cord of a daughter or a son. La manyama griyo abahubi babhizi bahuba amahubo kaMveli Nqangi.
Okay.
Bese yayibuza ke ingane khuluma ke ntombi khuluma nsizwa kwenzekeni. Ingane with the affection and warmth, then the child starts speaking. They validate, but acknowledge my feelings abo, and then the divine counsel of those mothers will step up and do something. If a woman was pregnant, they had a waiting ceremony. I guess it's a waiting ceremony. Because every morning the Tuala Ababeletis, which is an ancient African word, not a Greek word, like other people are making us to believe. Then these songs will send electromagnetic waves to the belly of a mother who's expecting. And then the child will respond to that. Amacula mnandi amahla wakhayo. Akha ubuntu, akha umphefumulo, connect untu. Ingane immediately ibone the greater source within. So ibirth kaMaya iba easy. That is why kwakubekwa umhlanga. Nithi nibizana nithi mhlanga lomhlabathi. Sabendabuko. Kodwa makushoni yokubekwe ini umphafa. Uvalwe ngani ngehlahla. So all these rituals as one nagi, yet they had a profound impact of re-regulating the nervous system of human beings.
Okay.
I want to put it upon modern academics. Ukuthi thina we had necessary rituals of re-regulating the nervous system. Ndlovukazi singakhuluma sizenze lutho if people are dysregulated emotionally. And nervous system dysregulation ayasinda uma so lokusiko abantu bangezwe uyazi khonto enginga interview abantu aba 16 ngibuza umbuzo odwa mefike office before siqala i-session ngithi mina tell me the first 5 minutes musasontweni engikuthole was interesting but you scan abantu bagqoke kanjani try to recognize abantu baziyo umungene seculwa then you attempt to join but there are moments where you totally disconnect ngaphandle lomuntu oshumayele mesho into affectako then the brain is reawakened busuya connector futhi ngakubhala phansi in my black book omunye uthi ungena kufanele kufike lento ukuthi I today is not the day futhi kushumayela umama ubani bani yabo then you disconnect for good 3 hours I'll connect nalotho another person
usuka nini lokuniphangu kwami
yeah nokuthi usuja ukuphuma abanye bathi they do live early yabo
bathi omunye sengisi ingane nje mina esintweni ngibele ngifaka ama earphone
hayibo
abanye they told me something amazing but in as much beqhubeka besontweni ngoba sekuyinjwayelo yasekhaya they are busy deconstructing irreligious deconstruction so ngase ngidraw i-conclusion ukuthi lapha ngaphakathi esontweni ilokuzo akheso ungcono
bani
uakheso i-psychiatric referral hospital hayi ngcono kakhulu kunesonto yeah at least aphana niyaguide nama activities bese kufika i-psychiatrist yakhe izonibona ne-psychologist yakhe esontweni uhleli for 3 hours awusafuni ukuba la you want out kepha ngokuthi isiqhelo nenjwayelo usekhona
ufuna nokungcwatshwa
yeah ufuna nokungcwatshwa
abaningi bayela ukungcwatshwa abayingi bahlayela ukuthi kodwa sesizothi sesahlala kangaka sesiyaphi manje
emva kwalokho
lama wami leli
buka ke enye group i-10 tab bathe immediately mebebuya khona baya ka tops
uma
afika athenge i-stroppers yakhe uma mhlawumbe ayithengele ijini yakhe yabo
into azingifaka basenamahloni okungena ne-uniform
hayibo ngempela
umuntu ungena ethaveni efaka izavali
ngiyanqaba basobethenga iwayini lomthendelelo
mzokazi khona ka-nose kwake kwagcwala izayoni lapha ngaphakathi
babethenga iwayini lomthendelelo
no babethenga ogolokho and what was amazing I thought abantu bazothi how
babuka ngephasika uzobona kahle
ngangithi mina abantu
akudlala ukoma masomile ubona mangiyadlula la
2023
DNP.
ngicela bangifakazele ababekwa
ngathi
notes
nami ngingangeni nangephinifi
ababengalosuku kwa notes
Athi ngephasika
ngidlula ngiphume spa ngigcwele izayoni ngaphakathi ngaphinda futhi ngabona osisi abawu2
kodwa mentshinelana basikuzobe ngathi manje sigxeka zona ukuthi izona
Asixeki inkosi yami hlokazi experience
wakoyiboy
experience yeah
yo azwenzi
so ngizama ukuthi abantu sebengena emabholstone neuniform yasesontweni
yeah
that's trauma response
yeah
that is trauma response
yeah
yabo so ngizama ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ziningi indlovukazi izinto that we are dealing with that we are not confronting. I like the approach kaThabo uma shaya phezulu to the social degeneration and social decay. Mina ngiyithathe from trauma level ukuthi ke umuzolapha lezilonda fanele attack nervous system yakho through inner awareness. Now umungenayo inner awareness ngeke uzulapheke ndlovukazi. Practice mindfulness. Uyazi khona into enjini khona lento enithanda ndlovukazi ukuthi yazi I'm lonely, I wish somebody could call me. No, shut up. That is the universe driving you to solitary confinement so that you can start eating. Because you've got an opportunity to bleed. Instead of bleeding on other people, bleed on yourself, man. Uyazi khona into esho abantu besifazane bathi mntombi yazazi ukuthi angikhale kodwa yiki angazi ngiphatheke kabi kodwa angazi ukuthi ni i-content zakhe no we call it Bolbo effect. A Bolbo effect. That effect is caused by there's been a lot of trauma and pain accumulation. So if he phumela ngokwakhe uqala ube nomunyu umusu nomunyu bese uyakhala ke emva kwalokho. Yabo. Now akasibheke how do South Africans generally number difficult feelings? So qala ngabantu besilisa. Abantu besilisa ndlovukazi this is how they number difficult feelings. Bawa number ngotshwala nangocansi and sometimes ngokudla inappropriate. That is the men. Promiscuity, alcohol and bad eating habits. Akase kubantu besifazane top ucansi, masturbation, food, church. Yeah. Hey, isonjele one number my difficult feelings on Ndlovukazi.
utshela ubalanga abantu besifazane ngebomu
Ngithemina food, alcohol, sex and church.
okay
Hey, people use religion to numb difficult feelings. To a point ukuthi unfortunately uma unumber my difficult feelings ungakholwa usonta awusizakala. I-statements zakho they're very interesting, they lack discernment ukuthi nje ntombi enza njengami nangave nengathatha yonke lento ngayibeka kuJesu usho umuntu ushanendla uma bokoboko ikolethu and is failing hard to pay ngasekudlwana nemoto
kuningi nokumhluphayo
kuningi kathi ginqela kuyena athi yabo nje mina ngizokutshela ezami mhlambe ngaze mangiyona yini yabo kwami ngenzami zombili abantwana sikhulumisana angiblame ngokuthi ngalahla ubaba wabo angiblame ngokuthi impilo yabo ngabe i-right kabi bona banama honors degree kodwa abasebenzi wathi nethi ubaba kwamakabali umaka akasisa kuyena eJohannesburg uzosithola umsebenzi uma wanqaba
babanga into zabo
isonto lisidakamiswa kwalona ngoba sikhathi ungena khona manje kucula kunaleyo hype othi masuphumile yehle futhi lento ubothe sesiyaphuma usiya kwi reality ke manje sesiphumile
leso ngena lapha ekhaya kade ungabakhulumisi kodwa disetress
yes uthi ungena ngesango nje usujikile awuseyona lento kade uyona because vele lisidakamiswa yini elenze kuba adalela ukuthi libe isidakamiswa kade ekhuluma uDimbane ngamasulumane la ngendlela abakhe ngayo obuka abantu abanjengamabhunu isonto line system yokuphila futhi ngaphakathi
yebo
that's why bakhe indawo njenge Oranje it's a Christian Boere town ya babaka leko nokulokuza ukuzohlala la ngoba kuthiwa indawo yamabhunu ngisho ngawo umlungu ube yingisi into ezokudisqualify ukuthi awulona ibhunu umhlophe but awulona ibhunu so bathini you won't understand the culture ngoba kune culture yakhona yabayipreservile la so nesonto kahle kahle into ekufaya ngayinjalo kunosiko impilo ekufaya ke siliphile lana njengoba ingakho uJesu uthini lapha uMateyu 5:13 uthi nina ningusawuti wezwe kepha umusawuti udumele ubusawuti bovuswa ngani na uthi ke mase udume sawuti into kulahlwa ngaphansi wayilinganisa ngosawuti angithi at that time usawuti osetshenziswa ukupreserve ukudla phinde futhi ufaka iflavor ngakho so abantu ekwa ngaba preserver iculture ama morals society amakhono ukuze isizwe sibe morally upright amakhono la awusawuti usho njalo uJesu uthi nina nosawuti uma kwadumala kusawuti nawe into yokutshinga into engenamsebenzi so amabhunu akho oranya nje enza lokho preserve their culture bese kuba mamora bese kuyasetshenzwa ngoba lento yokusonta ufaka imali ugoduke but ayikho into ezokuphilisa kulento ayikuniki lutho in return ngaphandle ukuthi bikudakiwe nje for that hour or two waphuma la sonto lonke futhi ayindaba yakho this is why uzobuya kuvaye ko tops nakephi ngoba unale hundo ozama ukuyinamba uzama ukuthatha izibu uyishanela uyifake phansi ka carpet
bakhe i-university ngo 300 million manje bakha enye ePretoria bathi ke this time they don't have a problem accept
khona bathi bani technical ishayilento imisebenzi ezandla
yes but
abamnyama bangena
but they don't have a problem yokuletha abantu
ngoba nabakhe
amabhunu but they don't have a problem uku-invite ama-black students but if bengeke bafike lapha bazodemand ukufunda
hayi asekhona abantu abamnyama there's a few already
ngibonile but this is what I want to say so I had to investigate who are these guys ngadiscover ukuthi ama-Christian investors abefundisi babo and some leaders up.
So yonke into you must do it in Africa.
Nina nithathe u2 billion nathenga ama-Urus nathenga ama-Lamborghini and bought women. Bona bathatha 300 million. Bathengani? Bakhe university.
Thenga umhlaba bakhe university.
University
i-technology lapha
babuyela back kwini technical school system. Motor mechanic making fusion pure plumbing hayi le ka 3 weeks. Lapha kukhona ngisho benze ngisho ama bodybuilder car bodybuilders bakhe ngisho ama lokhuza
ukhala minister of education ngade ekhona wathi lento isifaka ehlazweni sohulumeni
hayibo guys
ukhala minister wathi lento nje hey bakhuluma ukuthi isifaka ehlazweni but engiyithanda ile show uDimbani ukuthi amabhunu amaKristu isonto into enjalo collect imali and then build izinto eziphathekayo
bathe imali abayakhe emasontweni ayithi ayikhokhela ama bodyguard nama blue lights no promising empty promises imali abayakhile bayihlanganisile bangake amabhunu mancane eSouth Africa but 300 million build them a beautiful university.
Oh my goodness.
Thina
Nathi kodwa ke bafethu ke silimele ngempela yabo manje seningilimaze ngiqedile ngoba nikhuluma indaba yabantu abanendawo yabo bona banelungelo banendawo yabo but now we can't.
No, that is the new it's money.
That's what happens. That's what happens when your nervous system is dysregulated. Yeah. When your nervous system is dysregulated, you're not even good to yourself. We mess. You're not good for anybody.
Is there a comeback?
I guess.
Is there a comeback?
Yeah, we can. Uma befundisi bezwe ukushumela nonsense. I'm sorry, I have to be blunt. Why don't they preach self-development? Preach business intelligence. How to become a Christian millionaire and a billionaire. Inkonzo yonyaka. Preparing Christian billionaires.
And building them. Ngobunyaka wonke ngempela ama-silence. And people are not doing anything.
Abakho abantu abasonta njengabantu abamnyama. Khona umuntu yabona namhlanje basesontweni. Kusasa ikwaya practice. Mhlambe ba-offer kusasa bayokwenza ama-washing or whatever. Ikwaya practice ngolesibili. Ikwaya practice ngolesithathu. Bible study ngolesine. Yini ngolesithathu.
Bible study ngolesine omama.
The whole week. The whole week. Kuyasonto. The whole week kuyasonto but ayikho into yakho umuntu balambile labantu bathatha yaba yingakithi isidakamizwa. Uyabona amaphara. Abantu ongababuka ukuthi abanamsebenzi walutho bangcolile banjani. kodwa abantu abahlala lapha koZimbali koMhlanga imali abayithatha kulabantu laba ngalezi idakamizo bayidayisayo so namasonto njalo ingakho ngithi ayidakamizo ngoba ba rich nje abafundisi imali abayithatha kubantu abahluphekayo and don't give anything back
ithathelinye ixathi. All right, so
balimele kwabona abafundisi balimele wenza leyo nto nje ngoba ulimele.
Yeah, silimele ke kusho siyavuma.
Yes, phethe umuntu olimele kwayena.
When you
how do we heal?
That's the thing. I don't think it must be after Amanu. Fallacy focus kubantu and how do you regulate your emotions and nervous system. But you need to heal that nervous system. Because if you don't heal the nervous system, uzozali ngani dysregulated, and the generation of dysregulated people is going to come out of that. Inganza khona zoba suicidal. Because don't forget that trauma is carried by the brain, downloaded into your system. So uba nekhanda permanently, uphathe umphimbo permanently, uphathe umqolo permanently, uzofa nje waze wafa ekhala ngohlangothi. Kanti bulandela uhlangothi lwakhe lwenza ngesikhathi eqala kuba dysregulated. Yeah. So step one of healing trauma neurologically is to looking at inner awareness.
Okay.
What do you understand by inner awareness, Ndlovukazi? Umukhuluma nge-inner awareness ukhuluma ngokuthi mina Ndabe first ngi-aware nge-environment yami. Now there comes the bigger one. Is uNdabe aware that he's aware or not aware? Interesting, isn't it?
Very.
Yeah, uNdabe is aware of his surroundings. Why uNdabe is busy counting to ungahlala kade fake ugushu this time ufaka unobuzo, but uNdabe uhluleka into simple ukufaka iglobe kwakhe, iglobe isiyasha.
Aw jeez.
uNdabe uhluleka ukuphakela inja egcikeni kwakhe. Yabo azakhonyiso anto sebenza nje sekuphele 3 days ingadleli. uNdabe ukhohlwa into esimple kabi lokhokhela ugesi. Kodwa hayi ukuthi uMatlala befake ilokuza ifendi wazi konke. Yini it's a serious pain of not having an inner awareness.
Into kade uyisho ukufita ingqondo ugarbage.
We fit our brains garbage, and garbage when it plays itself it manifests as a disease. Yabona khona njengamanje abantu be obsessed ngamaphupho.
Yeah.
Uphupho jahwayenje babuye sengicela ukubuza yaza ngilalanga ngipuphe ngijahwayenje. Mina ngizokunikeza psychological analysis of your dream. No, do you have dogs again, right? Ziyakhonkotha ebusuku ziyakhonkotha. Okay, this is simple. Umsinde wezinja is registering itself subliminally into your brain whilst unjani ulele. So kwenzakalani during that moment now uphupho ujahwayini izinja.
What the Dabetle? Hey, no, I ngiyacela ke silungise makhona office ukubuza 068 764 9969 068 764 9969 ingalesikhathi ke ngo 11 o'clock ila sithatha khona ucommentile wena office ukubuzisisa ofisa ukueda ngoba phela sonke isiphila umdali lento yokurizina ikona ukuthi ke sibuye singayisebenzisi ngendlela efanayo bese sisebenzisa ngayo kodwa kusalayo ke ngale kuka 11 kuzobe sekwenzeka njalo 0687649969 Inanda FM ipage la khona news updates bese kuzoba igroup kaAsilungiseni ikhona nayo silapho and also ku TikTok we Inanda FM si live nakhona so akukho la engekusithole khona mangabe ngempela yafisa ukuengage nathi ibaleke
before we say my news.
Yeah.
Do you ever bother to identify or recognize habitual patterns in your thoughts and feelings?
awubuze ngezizulu lombuzo
uyakwazi ukulandela ama-pattern athile emcabangweni yakho nama-feelings akho ukuze ukwazi ukucontrol imizwa yakho nama-feelings
usho umuntu in general
wena ukhuluma wena manje
kunzima kunzima mangabe kungekho umuntu.
Your first question is very honest.
Yeah.
Kizokutshela. It's because Ndabezitha you are occupationally preoccupied. When ngiye ngithi ngivuka ngikubone usuthi sesifikile esihamba nabo sesingenile OR Tambo la ngivuka ngo7 wena usho uthatha iplane ka4 usufikile kuqhubeka the following day uSuperchiefston third day usa Scottberg uyokhuluma namankosikazi fifth day usa city center nekhulumeni. Now when do you get time to the self now? That is what affects your identity patterns. So awunaso isikhathi sokufollowisha and recognize your identity patterns ukuthi enzani kuma feelings ufila kanjani ngawe instead to busy uhamba protect abantu from how they feel about themselves ukuze banga disrupt program ka 1 week and then by Saturday you are trained busufuni wine.
Hey,
Number your difficult
the champagne.
The champagne to number your difficult feelings.
It's bubbles.
And ungakhohlwa
ukuthi ukuphola kancane igadi hey baba.
Ungakhohlwa. Constantly it will constantly put you with situational depression. Awu depressed izinto ushaya into zabanye abantu. Ngesikhathi une depression no febe bula ungakhohlwa. Every febe get depressed. Yo. Imajority yabo.
Ufibeka kanjani ndabethu depressed? Hey, awuyazi depression.
Flight and freeze.
Angeke ndabethu kahle.
Usukufuna escape hayini?
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM noNonduduzo nomvalo.
Ngalendlela ezika ngayo kodwa la sikhona sisala emsakazweni Nanda 88.4 FM selungisa nje kungekudala Okay sigijima ngayo sibonelo emlitha ethi ubuxoki sisesikhathini manje la wena ke mlaleli sizokunithuba we siyeza nale healing. How do we heal ngoba ngibuza umbuzo lapho kubafowethu uthi heala kanjani but ngicela uqale sizwe ngawe mlaleli.
Studio ama uniform avele just that ngoba kuyilukhuzana kusekwama military uniforms akwamanye amazwe thina sike siwathatha siwenza amalokhuzana ama church uniforms and I believe a couple of years ago I've posted this. But I would like to get into that point ekadeni lisho leli la songo yena se DUT lento umuyibuka even in preschool and primary school umungeze usuke manje uye kwabantu amnyama uya kwabelungu uyayibona icleanliness uyayibona iorganization ngendlela izinto zakhona even i-governance of the school ukuthi kunjani even ama award ceremonies zakhona uyayibona into yakhona yabo and this spills into ama communities abo yabo. Lokho ngisho ukuthi ezikoleni uyabona ukuthi izikole zakhona za function yabo noma kuthiwa kudanga lijes lebhola uyabona noma kudlalwa ibhola khona uyabona and nesikole yasibona siba clean i-toilet alibina graffiti aliyakho kuba khona toilet eliblockhayo yabo and ilokhuzane yonke i-prim and proper muse uya kuma communities zabo ulokhuzane ungeke uze kuthiwa khona street lights esesisajwayela nje ukuthi alokhuzane asisebenzi yabo ngoba kun black communities kuphela 11 years sazi ukuthi street lights esokuthi endaweni ukuthi khona isikhoze sekhona lova abakwenza khona ababamba inkunzi so ingakho bekwazi ukuba nendawo enjengo Orania thina sabantu it's just that we have to fix within ourselves ukuthi kufanele siqale kuma ukuthina in our homes sikwazi ukuthi into emifile seyilungisa igceke emelokhuzane mase kufanele licendwe spilling into the community mesibona ukuthi into ukuthi khona ipothole siya report ehamba yolungiswa and i-street lights esokuthi kulokhuzane and this will spill into the nation because bona that's how izinto zabo bezibeba nendawo ezinjengo Orania inengane zabo akwazi ukuyikhulisa inamadoda khona akwazi ukuhlangana abombani akwazi ukufundisana izinto ukuthi okay wena ukwazi ukwenza ukuthi thina wena ukwazi ikwazi ukutrade izinto kanjani ingoba bona vele lento bakhula ngayo so nathi kufanele siqaleke manje as black people sikhulisane ngale yondlela sifunde from them that part olokhuzana yempilo nokuyiphatha.
Ngiyambingelela abasakazi ubonga ngqulunga lokhulumayo lapha eRustenburg ulalela uhlelo olubalekile kakhulu. Iyakhuluma ngendaba lena ya mabhuno ase-Oranje nama achievements awo. Uma ubheka izinto ngihlale ngibuka umsebenzi ye solidarity okuyinyunyana yamabhuno ehamba nje ibanga kubanzi bese iqhathanisa nenhlangano lena ebinkulu engicabanga ukuthi inkulu kakhulu kune solidarity i-NUM bese ngiqhathanisa nje ama achievements ngibona ukuthi kuyadabukisa kakhulu kodwa engicabanga ukuthi ke into edinga ukuthi mhlawumbe ke yenziwe imphakathi yethu thina abantu baseAfrika ngibona sengathi iyadinga ukuhlolwa ngochwepheshe abafundele ukubuka imphakathi ukuthi ima isesimweni sokugula sokudunguzela idunguzela nje iguliswa yini ngoba umphakathi wethu maAfrika uyagula ungenzeka ukuthi sithakathiwe mangithi sithakathiwe ngikhuluma ngokuthi there is another agents or kukhona abantu abangesiwa ama-Afrika abasithakathileyo which means abasiyengile ukuthi ucabanga kwethu okanye abaconstructe ukuma ukuphila kwethu ngendlela ezosenza ukuthi sihlale ngokwehlukana njalo angeze sibonele nje salete ngisho ukuthi sineyibongo namasiko kodwa singazi ukuthi sawaqala nini sawaqala sina njengo yini ngalamasiko ethu njengoba nje nilapha estudio khona uSamboti uzozithakazela bhekele nami ngungqulunga ngizozithakazela ngibhekele kanjalo nomyeza njalo sonke lezi zinto lezi uma uzibheka this is a social construct isenza sibe abantu abaqhudelanayo uma ke umuntu esithuke wazuza enhlanhla uma kuthiwa kunesikhwama lapha khona kungahlanganwa khona athi cha ngeke phela kulunga mase sizofana sonke le nhlanhla eyakwangqulunga ivela empephweni yakangqulunga ngisho ukuthi those constructs ezikhona phakathi kwethu nesiphila phansi kwazo ngiyangibona sengathi izona ezisivimbayo ukuba khona ibanga esingalahamba uma ke singaqhathaniswa nalabantu okuthiwa ngamabhunu ngoba amabhunu uma wabuka nawo indlela aconstructeke ngayo socially ngisho iqala nje ibongweni makuthiwa uVan Rensburg awushiwo ukuthi uVan Rensburg ngoba ezalwa uVan Rensburg uRensburg nje indawo lapho kwaqhamuka abaqhamuka ngakhona abasendaweni ukuthi osibani basenda baqanjwa ngeendawo abavele kuzo so lokho akubenzi babe abantu abahlukene nabangakhompyutha ngizama ukusho leyo nto kodwa indlela thina siconstructwe ngayo sini ngendlela ukuthi kumele sikhompyuthe isho sifana namandiya kodwa amandiya nawo amandiya sikishe sifana nawo ngoba engona idunje ayabe nengqondo ukuthi kufanele athi gang up njengona idu akhompyuthe aze aganane wodwa and so on so ngisho ukuthi nathi siyadinga ukuhlolwa kahle indlela esingayo ngoba isenza ukuthi singathandani at least uma ngabe sesizoyikhuluma sizoyibona ukuthi yini lento angisho ukuthi lokho imana ngenza nje example ukuthi isimo sethu sibuthakathaka ngiyabona
yeah
hey wayilahla ke masuja usho ukuthi lokho ya nje yonke lento ishoyo konke nje lokho kusho impela unembile wengqulumo
usafuna ndlovukazi ku self medication
hayi siya useshiphelile phela but angithi sonke siya contribute ukuhlukene
ithi ngikusheke le ndaba ye self medication
kukhona into esho ungqulunga la topic lena uyabona lento amasiko ethu nawe yasidivide hodwa le ukuthi umuntu wenza into ngesintu thina lento ayisho ungqulunga ukuthi lento eyako Sambuthi ngiyinikwa abakithi already we are divided ngoba ngazi ukuthi lento eyala sithi lento yamasiko sidivide ngisho umndeni izindlu ngoba khona indlu ekufanele ikompyuthe nendlu ethile singafuni ukusizana sisodwa uzwe ezethu umuntu bani wathi webula idlozi ngoba manje wonke umuntu lento le asisebenze asikho communal kanti sasinjalo sisebenza as umphakathi iyona nto akafike bashaye ngazo lezizwe lezi amaSulumani ahlanganiswe yini Islam ingakho ubona amaSomalia enje kuyahlusheka kweSomali but afika lapha successful ngoba afike amaSulumani alinka namanye amaSulumani akuba namahotela nani base bakhi system yokuthi ke bazophila kanjani ngama-tuck shop ngoba laba bamahotela bayifuna le market esemalokishini kodwa bahlulwe kuyipenetrate base kufuka amanye ama-muslim akubo ngeke baze bayenze nami ngiwumZulu ngiwubani ngoba angi-understand i-system ye-Islam yokutrader yabo kodwa amanye maze kufika ama-Somalians nina vele nithi anifane nabantu nizokwazi ukungena emalokishini bangena hambe scout amalokhuza athola indawo kwanama-site boom yaflourish lento ya ngisho ngahamba namhlanje kuthiwa ngingena abantu kulama hotela kulama spaza shops ngakho because bane system namabhunu is the same thing ane system yawo amabhunu asinayo
labantu ba strange abafiki namakhosikazi abo
bashe emakhaya
yeah.
All right, asizwe lo etukuthula ama-Christian sikhonza uNkulunkulu oyedwa but sihlukaniswe ama-doctrine okunye ama-Christ we are human beings akekho umuntu perfect aba-missionary kukhona okuhle akwenza afundisa abantu afundisa abantu abaningi kabi lana eSouth Africa abanye judge teacher doctor nurse afundiswe ibona nobaba umyeza nginesiqiniseko bakhona abantu kwi-generation yakhe abaziyo ababefundiswa ama-missionary kodwa nabo ubukhosi bakwaZulu angikaze ngizwe nje ukuthi kunemifundazi ekhishelwa abafundi
uyazi ngimqale nje lo ufana mangase ngithi mina uyabona nje i-apartheid yayinhle kabe yakhe ikole yakhe ama college uyabona njengoba nje nanje kuthiwa umhlaba ubuyiselwe emakhosini iyona yasimisela amakhosi izwe lalibuswa ho-chief inkosi yakabuthelezi inkosi uMangophe ngibale zonke izinto ze-apartheid thina masikhuluma nge-Christianity sikhuluma manje ukuthi bathenga ama-Lamborghini bathengani manje abamnyama manje yabomothi ama-missionaries vele abelungu bakwenza lokho befika laba ke bakithi ke ngoba phela izinto seyibuhele kubona manje benzani ngemali yonke lento oyibalayo siyayazi iyo lesisho nje sithi nalamanje amabhunu ayayenza laba bamnyama mina give me ibandla labantu abamnyama eselenze into leyo oyibalayo manje uyincoma ngento eyenziwa ama-missionary
and certain individuals in the church, not necessarily the whole church, but those individuals who afford.
Definitely correct. Christianity is not monotheistic; it's henotheistic. Unkulunkulu ebadumisayo. Ama deities. Jesus is one of the deities, and there's a concept of the Almighty God, who they claim is the Father of Jesus, of which Jesus says something else, which is uthi mina nababa siwumnye. Umufuna ukwenza ibonakaliso namlengo ukukhuleka kubaba osezona kasho ukuthi yena uNkulunkulu. He never claims that he's God, and they'll stick by that rule. Ngaphandle if you're a Paulinist, ama-Paulinists nyawa understand that the scammers of God.
All right, asilungiseni ukuthula e-studio siyabonga ngohlelo namuhla. You are yes, we are neutrally wounded, but the prevalence root cause is a fight against apartheid system. From that period, respect was ignored. It was the start of no one is older than the other. Children accused elders of many false accusations. They brutally killed elders, burnt their homes, destroyed infrastructures in the name of freedom. From there, the condition never returned to normality we knew. It was the period of family destructions. Today we have no leaders. Instead, we have thieves called themselves educated leaders. They don't lead, but they still instead, if there's no structure controlling abantu emakaya, everyone does as he or she wishes. Nothing can go right. The problem is that those who understand the situation, they are understanding it in different levels, aspects, and they don't have enough funds to help their projects. Ngiyabonga uDlamini.
uDlamini ukhuluma ngathi phela thina labo kwakuthiwa destroy, thina labo kwakuthiwa shise, thina labo kwakuthiwa senze yonke lento akhuluma ngayo. Mayithi ke yena thina sama zama 80s mayithi ke ingane kuyonakala la zayithunyoba zayithunyiwe sasithunyiwe phela sinama leaders bakamemeza othamo but make South Africa ungovernable. No, Mandela to make South Africa ungovernable. That was the mission. Now masidlulile lento bathi mabefika ke bona into yokuqala bayenza they removed God. I-constitution iseyikoleni kwavala imithandazo ilento engikhale ngayo isuka ukuthi into yokuqala nje labantu kufika abantu abangenaNkulunkulu basusa uNkulunkulu kuyo yonke into kwavulelwa yonke into ebhedayo ezweni silala sikhona nje sikule yonke inga ke manje ukuthi sibuyela kanjani.
Yeah. All right. I see like you feel Mr. Boy. Good people.
When we return, more of the music you love.
All right, ubabo ethi ngeke kulunge lutho ubabo wakaNgcobo uthi ngeke kulunge lutho umsakazo nanda 88.5 FM uthi ngicheck la whether ngimbambile lo ngamshiyi.
Ake ngibingelele emsakazweni kuyisonto elihle. Singenamvula, singenalanga. Kodwa sinethemba lokuthi ngase kube khona imvula. Angikholwa nganibingelele emsakazweni. Uyabona umfowethu Thabo usekele wakhuluma izwi esengilikhoshiwe kwamanje. Ngithe ngilizwa ngathinta omunye umngane wami naye oyichitha buchopho kodwa kayena ugijima kakhulu ngapha ngakalavu. Hayi igama elishayo uThabo mayelana namasonto angisazi ukuthi eyisonto liyini kodwa uthe seyichaza lento wathi ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi uye esontweni ufike uphenduke mawubuya phinde futhi ube yilento okade uyiyona. Ayi yabona nje leyo nto leyo isonto ngempela angazi ukuthi ngathi kodwa liyabasiza elibasizayo noma mhlambe ke nathi siyasizakala nami ngiyasizakala ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngisizwe yilona. Bese ngiza kulo mfowethu khona ukuthi oke wa thinta indaba yama missionary ukuthi asize waze wafanekisa ngani mafilosofi awu2 lapho estudio. No, angivumelani naye. Mawufunda i-definition ye missionary, to a missionary is a person who sent to a place to teach and spread, but to spread and teach with the religion of his own church. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwasetshenziswa lapha no his ngoba phambilini abaphathi bamabandla kade kungabantu besilisa kuphela. Mawuyizwa lento ithi to preach about the religion of his own church. Labantu babengalethile inkolo, babengezile ukuzokhulisa inkolo la, babezofundisa ngeyabo. Umuntu ma enganificaniswe eklasini abese angena mhlambe ngamaZulu anginisebenzise ukuthi ngamaZulu abese zonifundisa ngobulungu uthi yeka kaniloko nithathe lokho azofundisa ngakho yena. So angikholelwa ukuthi ama missionary mina wele good people labantu bafika bezo spread bezofundisa ngereligion yamasonto abo abantu bawathanda lamasonto abo ngendlela achazwa ngayo ngendlela engibona bese ngiba nombuzo kodwa futhi nempendulo ikhona lapho khona into esasifunda esikoleni angisazi ama comprehension test wakuthiwa lento leyifunde kodwa iwumbuzo kodwa nempendulo ikhona lapho lento yathintwa ke iphilosophy ubaba uNdabeke uyathi obekhuluma ngayo manje mayelana nendaba ze healing uthi umbuzo wami ungamhila yini umuntu ungamlapha yini umuntu unoma ungathini kumuntu owenza exactly izinto nawo kade uzenza sesehlathini noma manje mase sifihla kakhulu igcine ngavuma ukuvela ithini yayo ake ngikhulume kanje ungathini kumuntu oseganile ethi noma eganile mhlawumbe ingane yakho noma umngane wakho kodwa ebefeba nawe kade ufeba mhlawumbe wena mzalwane uzomlapha uthini lo muntu uthini umjovo ngoba lento mhlawumbe uyibone kuwena noma ke nje iphoyisa eligwazisayo emgwaqweni leliphoyisa liyagwazisa la promoter la kunina kade nigwazisa ninonke mangena icala ukuthi leli phoyisa kade ligwazisa would you be able to take a proper action against lona na nje wena uyazi ukuthi lento sasiyenza sonke la letho angithi impendulo naye lapho zethi ngwane
Zetsingwane Veralem
asi izinto eziningi kodwa ubeka izinto eziningi
asiphawule kwesikhathi sethu ukuthi sikhulume ukuze singashaya isikhathi ngicela kodwa uqala ngidlulela ngoba ngingangakhona ukuthayima kahle ukuthi mhla uyizwa ukuthi amakhasimende amasha aseLC astika ngani uthola 100 anynet uthola 100 anynet minutes ngo-15 rands kuphela ahlale izinsuku ezingu-14 alunge ngempela uma ufuna umgosi omusha kumngane wakho noma uma uzoshayela umama wakho umkhumbule nje dial *141# noma udownload iCellC app uthole neminye imidilizo emikhulu join uCellC namuhla usidinga ngama deals anezinzuzo ezijabulisayo ngezikhathi eziningi ngendlela oyithandayo kunemigoma nemibandela kaCellC. Right, thank you. We've passed that one. And then healing. Nango ke sefake busaphendula uZ Ngwane. Verelem.
Ungwane izinto akhuluma ngazo they are very profound I must say. Kukhuni ukuthi ulaphe isifo ongasifundanga ongasazi uyafunsela. The best psychologists and psychiatrists in 90% of the time into engiye observe abantu who are carrying certain trauma badlula kuyona. They overcame it and they're able to go to school to understand the origins of pain and how to treat it and how to help human beings. I want to quote a dude that I'd like, brother Jakes. TD Jakes, don't put in front of me a young pastor who is not wounded, who has never seen the worst. He has nothing to say to me. Yeah. So when it comes therefore to assisting people, yes, ethically and morally, ngekukwazi ukukhuza umuntu oke waparticipate naye kwenzeni izinto engelona iqiniso. Yeah.
But phela manje ayikho le moment ukuthi ngiguqukile phela manje nakhe.
You can only caution them. Ukuthi don't go this route. Ngibuya khona kulento.
Yeah.
Ngibuya khona, and I can tell you right now you're heading for disaster and probably I might not be there to help you.
Yeah. Wendaba into ngiyacela ngiyayizwa le caution them and vele ke khona abantu abanenkani abavele bathi ngangitshelani wena ngeke ungitshele lutho wena ngoba kunje nje ebuyisela kulezi zinto lezoyishoyo but ke ngicela ukuthi si understand lento ekhulumeka la yokuthi ngeke sikwazi asithini sizokwazi ukubakhoshina ukubakhumbuza ukuthi sibuya la singabakhoshini ngendlela o singabatsheli ngendlela ezif manje thina singcwele ngoba nakusesangena einkonzweni
ubancenga nje ukuthi
sikhulume kahle nje madoda
leyo ndlela ihambi
iyazwakala manje njalo. Okay, asikene ku healing ndaba ngibona soshawa isikhathi singangeni la imaqala Thabo sorry senze njani do we have Facebook? Come on, okay. Asambe
okay, asiqale ukuthi kulento correct lento njengoba zobe uthe ufuna clinical analysis ukuthi abanye abantu abane depression
ngindlela manje ngisakubona
abanye abantu abane depression affair ebenenye indoda nenye can provide a temporary intense emotion emsizayo ukuthi umzimba wakhe urelease dopamine na serotonin. They are dopamine chasers. Now i-affair le unayo indoda kodwa ufunenye unayo amantombazana awu-3 kodwa ufunenye. He is trying to self-medicate from the feelings of emptiness that are created by depression. Yakulandela ke lokho.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah. Bese kuba khona laba aba paralyzed too depressive abangafuni lutho eduze kwabo. They've got in high negative emotions. Labo naba bamfuna umuntu noma wesifazana noma wesilisa. Kodwa lo depression ufuna escape kuyona kuye ukuthi ngisho ne relationship afune enye so that brain izosecrete ama neurotransmitters. This an escape route yakhe. So ikhona ke abantu abanye a big community of depressed people that involved with infidelity. Right. Siye ku inner awareness. Ayikho ndaba ezitha into ongayenza if you don't have inner awareness. Yabo izinto zikudlula left and right zikushaye yilabantu abaphinda into ibike kamshaya before. So what do you need? You need a deep understanding of your own emotions, thoughts, triggers, strengths and weaknesses. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli. Udinga a very very strong understanding yama emotions akho, imicabango yakho, izinto ezikutriggerishayo, amandla nawo and bese kuba ama weaknesses anawo. Lezo zinto zistep sokuqala towards finding a path to healing. Right. A mental experience of being aware ndaba ezitha isiza kanjani na? You know exactly where to start.
Okay.
Now, first accept that there is something wrong with me. Everybody really want to accept that there is something wrong with me. But what are you doing about that which is wrong in you? Then seek help. Yeah. Seek help from trusted individuals. Now, be very careful how you cooperate. You can go to people who condemned you and criticized you. We normally want to ask for help from people who criticize and condemned us. Go to somebody also empathetic, also hamba ecatshulweni zakho, and he must be trusted. Ubese understand into eyodwa ke enkulu la kwa help. There is a lot of betrayal. Uyabona ngizokwenza example mase kufika usiso decent odumile endaweni ethi indaba engicela ngisiza and mina uyazi ukuthi I hold her at the highest esteem ebese ethi kumina indaba engicela ngisiza ngicela ngisuse kulento yazi nginama boyfriend awu3 yabo and sengikhulumile nabo ngifuna ukubayeka manje abayeke asiqale ngo number 1 ngo number 2 ngo number 3 abachazi bonke bani role abayidlalayo. Then I assess whether une depression in. Uma ngwabona ama depressive bese ngisidila now. Chances are that uzoyeka le ndaba yamadoda amane kuzokwazi ukuba ne positive confrontation. Uyabona ke root siye kwi underlying cause. But now mina sengithi hawu usisibanane usisibani umuntu ohlonipheke kangaka uye umbone mesekhuluma stage kanti ufeba kanje uma ngiyoxoxa leyo nto mina ngifana nalamadoda alala naye I'm involved in their filth. So uwazi ukuthi ukugosipha nokusharisha information sensitive ngomnye umuntu kufana nokudla umzimba kamfowenu osowashona emhlabeni.
However, the bit
Eating the dead flesh of your brother, that is gossiping. And 2, it's betrayal.
Kasikaithanda ke lokho kulebe.
Ukuhleba kufana nokudla.
Sayidinga umuntu onembeza.
Yeah. So uma umuntu ekuyena into ebucayi, shut up. And isusi delete engqondweni yakho. Ikhona ngiyibabona abantu masitangana kuma mall bonke into yang avoid ngoba ngiyazi izinto ezijulile.
Kanti leyo nto si
That is why ngawafuna ama malls imshado because mina eKZN I'm likely to meet with no lesser than 30-40 of my clients. Yeah. Kodwa manje nasebehilile. Nemgcwaba ngibalekela compassion fatigue. Yeah. Asasithile ne compassion fatigue. Okay, step 3. Uma uthi mina nginebhada ngikhulisa umuntu ngihleli ngedukhala emcamelweni, thank God for that moment. Vele ukufuna ungwedwa ngeke aza clean phambi kwabantu. Wena uma ugeza uhamba uyoma ngaphandle thathe ugubulu benqunu ugeza. Uye e-bathroom.
Yeah.
Uvale bese uyageza. So heal from your wounds, go to an emotional bathroom.
Yeah.
Step first into the classroom of silence.
Yeah.
So that you can hear God speaking to you.
Preach now.
Emva kwalokho ke go to the emotional bathroom ugeza wathi khala uzuzbe spiritual.
I hear you.
Journal your tears. Forgive abantu abagilile. Now ubusuyi forgive wena ngokugileka.
Asho.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa ndabenhle.
Yabona ke indaba ezitha mawenze njalo you stand a chance of healing. You know that. Bese ufilterisha abantu ozobasondeza empilweni yakho. Filter people that you bring into your space. Khona abanye abangasadingakala because there's a greater possibility ukuthi you turn around the involved in wealth. So khona abantu abazobenefita ngewealth yakho abangadeserve no.
Ndabendle uthini manje?
Phuma kubantu, even your best friends who were gossiping you behind your back.
Sure.
Akube bukhuni ukubona ukubuyela kwena. Here's the deal. Kwesinye isikhathi ube nabangani abaningi kanti abantu abazomatch ifela nesuccess yakho, they're not true friends. The moment you drive
Kuba easy uvele ba move away.
Uma uke wathenga a new house with guys ozani nizobona umuzi omuhle, check ukuthi kuzofika bani. U30% of your besties, they will never come. Kuzofika lo on 3 weeks umazile naye abe disappointed ukuthi awukase kuba abantu abawu11 kuphela. That's your tribe. That is your tribe. Ubheka iboyfriend nomuntu osifazane, bheka iboyfriend esikhekezele efuna ukubuya, ufuna ukuzokudestroy.
Kanti sahlukana njalo.
Kanti nahlukana. You can't recycle into efile.
Hey, asibambe laba futhi ukuze singaphela isikhathi namhlanje Ndabenhle asivalelise uma kunesidingo na inamba kuNdabenhle nakuThabo. Then we also have my platforms kanjengo social media we inanda 88.4 FM.
Inamba yam 07666 33954. Ake ngiphinde mlaleli. Ngicela abantu babe careful sesingene kulezi insuku engiyisabayo. Drive safely.
Sure.
Yeah. Inamba yam zoyiphinde kokugcina ithi 07666 33954. Sibonge kakhulu Staklo nethimba lakho.
Sibonge Ndlovukazi umdali mayivumile ngesonto elizayo sikhona futhi inamba yami ke ishintshile ngoba njengoba esho sesikulezo insuku basibhizi inboxa ngamabhanoyi kuyale basihacka bayihack inamba yami ngisengize ngayivala ke leyo 076 ngoba sebeyihack okwesibili 068 871 0778 uzongithola kuleyo ke 068 871 0778 yeah utholakala lapho manje.
Siyabonga ngiyabonga kakhulu ngolwazi olusha enthena siniyakulona usuku namhlanje Ndlovukazi uMapule kulolu suku indodakazi wencane yoHamasho sengwayo umntwana izizukulwane sikaMntwana uDabulamansi. Ngizothi nje kuwena namhlanje konke esikhulumile nesisazokhuluma nesisazokhuluma futhi uma besikhuluma ngonyaka 2026 understand ukuthi now isiwena manje indaba sekuwe kufanele ena ungene deep in your heart. Ngiyacela ke kule season season ezoba buhlungwana kwabanye bemnandi kwabanye but siqikelele ukuthi siyabuyisana ezimndeni. Kuzoba buhlungu ama confrontations but if awukulungisa, believe me, God will be there. The Holy Spirit will lead you ngendlela right ukuthi kulungise whatever that is not right emakhaya ethu. Siphile ngokuthula, siphile kahle, kube mnandi, kube nokuthula. Bye till we meet again, God willing. Tasha Cobbs, it's a Fill Me Up.